Hey gang, it's Eatmoretoys, and we're back with another review. Today we're reviewing on English's Happy Boy Grin. Ooh, they threw in some freebies. They threw in a MC supersized, or I like to call McSupersized, pin and some stickers. Temper Tot, like one of his murals. Um, the Grin, as you see on the toy, and Temper Tot as a Joker card or playing card. Pretty ill. Thank you guys at Propaganda and Ron English. So here's a box. And then the bottom. Nothing fancy there. It says happiness sticks to your face. Happy Boy Grin. Propaganda. Warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3. That's pretty much it. So let's open it up. So it came a little package in the blister with the little plastic so the paint doesn't rub off on the plastic. That's good. But let's look at the nitty gritty, actual toy. So it's the Grin. Well, it's the smiley face with the exaggerated grin, which is Ron English's staple with his collaborations he's been doing for the last 5 years, maybe. And let's analyze this. If you look only at the body, it looks like, to me, it looks like something from Disney, like maybe an elf or Mickey Mouse. Oh, it's signed. Nice. It's very simple, no articulation, but he combined it with the smiley face. It's cool. I like the paint job here where it's weathered, so it looks like a real skull, an old skull. And it's not a coin bank. It's really shiny. I like it. It's pretty big. What? Under 10 inches. I think about 120 or something like that. 100 maybe. From Propaganda. So that's it. That's your review. Thank you for the free pin and stickers. See? It's almost life size. Alright. I don't know the meaning. It's art. You make whatever you want with it. You can put like a little Uzi or AK-47 right there. Maybe like a little... He looks like Robin Hood. He looks like every character from a cartoon. Alright. That's it.